Hello and welcome to Quick Charge. I'm Mikey G, and it's Monday, January 15th. Elon Musk has shared a new video of the Optimus robot impressively folding clothes. It might not sound like a whole lot compared to a human being, but it does showcase an impressive dexterity for a humanoid robot. Milan Kovac, one of the lead engineers on the project, commented saying that the robot is going to handle more increasingly complex tasks. Now, a close look at the video shows a stack of Tesla 4680 cells on a table next to it, so it could be that Tesla is already having it perform some useful tasks for its own operations, or at least testing them. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm already convinced enough to plunk down money on a robot that can fold my clothes. I'm sure that everything else will be great in the future, but there's some money to be made. Possibly. It's probably not the high profit market that Tesla needs to continue funding the development of the program, but I could still dream, right? Panasonic said that it will produce a new and improved version of the 2170 cell used in the Tesla Model 3 and Y at the plant in Nevada. At the site, Panasonic already operates with Tesla making cells, but now Bloomberg reports that sometime during 2024 or 25, the new cells with a lot more energy density could be on the way. Panasonic CTO Soichiro Watanabe told Bloomberg in an interview that Panasonic aims to deliver on its promise to quadruple production capacity by 2030. And to make that happen, he said that the company won't need to rely on building new factories or pouring large investments into new plants. Panasonic, whose main U.S. customer is Tesla, actually produces some 10% of batteries found in electric vehicles across the world. But now with the new edition of the higher revised version of the 2170, we hope to see things improve even more. Elon Musk made a bizarre statement in which he appears to complain about his smaller stake in Tesla and said that he prefers building products elsewhere unless he gets a bigger stake in the company. Now, there's currently some talk, mainly from Elon Musk fans, about Tesla putting together a new CEO compensation package for him. He completed his last CEO compensation plan, which awarded him millions of shares and billions of dollars and made him the richest man in the world. On Twitter, a commenter said that this current stake that he has now seems sufficient, to which Musk replied in part, quote, "I am uncomfortable growing Tesla to be a leader in AI and robotics without having around 25% voting control, enough to be influential, but not so much that I can't be overturned." Now, later, Musk added that the only reason he doesn't have a new compensation plan is due to Tesla waiting for the decision in a court case brought on by shareholders over his prior compensation plan being too excessive. That, according to the complaint. Now, it's not hard to see the stickiness of this situation. Musk willingly sold off a large chunk of Tesla stock to fund his personal acquisition of Twitter, but that is his business. Aside from that, there is an argument to be made for a conflict of interest. He has repeatedly claimed that Tesla is an AI and robotics company, but then he started his own separate AI startup. Now he is saying that he prefers building new AI products at that startup rather than Tesla because he has more control. Now, could this be seen as a conflict of interest? Or could it be seen as making competing broad market technology? Could it also be a threat to focus his attention unless he gets paid more money? Or maybe it's just economics. Let me know in the comment section. Lucid Motors is expanding globally with a new European boss who brings extensive experience from Polestar, Maserati, and Audi. Lucid aims to bring its brand to new markets with the new hire of Alexander Lutz, who spent the last 4.5 years with Polestar as its managing director for Europe. Now, hopefully, the new hire can turn the rudder for the recent stock hits on Lucid. Their stock is sitting at an all-time low after the fourth quarter deliveries failed to reach 2022 output. With 1,932 EVs handed over in the last 3 months of the year, Lucid's deliveries were down about 12% year over year. Production also slipped, and to make matters worse, Lucid's CFO, Sherry House, resigned last month. The company has yet to confirm plans to launch the Gravity model in Europe, but a long-range premium electric SUV could potentially help expand the brand. According to BMW CFO Walter Mertl, the brand has crossed the tipping point as the automaker shifts from gas-powered to electric vehicles. From here on out, most of its growth will come from electric vehicles, as they say. According to the financial leader, BMW's order books are well filled as it aims to sell 500,000 EVs this year. He said, quote, "Future growth will primarily come from battery electric vehicles." Right there in black and white. Now, despite several automakers, including Ford, General Motors, and others, scaling back EV investments, Myrtle believes, quote, the current sales plateau of combustion cars will continue and then fall off slightly. BMW aims for a third of its vehicle sales to be electric by 2026, and they revealed that their next generation of electric vehicles, called New Class, will bring the brand into the future of technology. In today's battery breakthrough sweepstakes, researchers at Harvard University have developed a new solid-state battery that can be recharged in 10 minutes. The researchers published in Nature Materials described a new way to make solid-state batteries with lithium metal anodes. Now, the lithium metal battery researchers developed at Harvard John A. Paulson School of Engineering and Applied Sciences can be recharged and discharged at least 6,000 times. That's more than any other pouch cell battery. Harvard Office of Technology Development licensed the technology to Addon Energy, which is a new spin-off company from Harvard. Now let's hope the team can hack through the forest of obstacles on their way to reaching scaled production. Thanks for watching Quick Charge. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.